So guess what? The guy who's Strokey, not Strokey, finger stick 120, EKG shows sinus rating at 48, no heart block, no skipping beats, no second degree or third degree block, not so bradycardic that he's confused. His rectal temp was 39. 93 degrees. How often do you get a temperature of 93 degrees on a patient? Until proven otherwise in this diabetic patient, sepsis. It's 80 degrees outside in Illinois. It's not environmental. And he was found in the pond or in a lake or a cold river. So think about that. I'm stuck with an LP now because hypothermia or high fever, meningitis, especially when I found out he was treated for ear infection. Strep pneumo of the ear can hit the brain and boom, I need to do an LP somehow in this big, large man. And I'm the only one strong enough to position him. I had to take 2 nurses to position him, and we got the LP. The needle was deep enough, was long enough.